What is going on, all my traders and investors? I have a banger AMC update video for you guys, and the CEO of AMC just went on CNBC, and that is a bit of a tongue twister, so hit the like button and subscribe for me. But he just went on CNBC and made a very reassuring statement and had a fairly long interview, about 4 minutes long. So if you guys don't want to watch it, I will timestamp down below where you guys can skip to the technical analysis and my overall input about AMC. Now, after this interview, I very much want to open a position in AMC. This is a long-term position if I do open it, and I will make another video going over this if I do decide to pull the trigger. If you guys are watching this, make sure right now to comment down below if you're trading AMC. Are you a long-term shareholder? What do you see from the company? All that good stuff. Source the information down below in the comments. I respond to every comment so we can get the conversation going down there. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Also, I do have a Discord link in the description if you guys want to join that. It is free 99. I send out all of my buy and sell alerts, as well as source great news and great information over there as well. But I do not want to waste any of your guys' time, and like I say on this channel, it is 2021 and we have no time to waste time, so let's get into it. Now I'm going to play this great interview on CNBC, like I said in the beginning of the video. If you guys don't want to watch it, skip ahead and meet me to the technical analysis.
Never settle with Power E-Trade. It has easy-to-use tools and some of the lowest prices. Don't get mad, get E-Trade and start trading today.
This year, joining us now for more in a Closing Bell exclusive is AMC Entertainment CEO Adam Aron. Welcome back. Boy, do we have a lot to talk about, Adam. First,
Hi,
just
Sarah.
on the reopening
Nice
of
to
New
be
York
with
City.
you. Hey, New York
Nice
City
to have you here. New York. Well, but my question on New York City, Adam, was whether you're going to get major movies, because New York and LA have been closed, and that's been, obviously, those are two huge, really important markets. But New York at only 25% capacity, LA still closed. Are you going to get the big ticket items, movies?
Yes. So look, today is such a great day for AMC. Across the country, as the largest movie theater chain in the United States, about 90% of our theaters are open, but nothing is more important to us than opening in New York and Los Angeles. We're opening New York City, 13 theaters tonight, 29 theaters in New York State will be open tonight. Our theaters in New York City have been closed, as you said, for 50.5 weeks. And just to show you what it means to have pent-up demand, across the 500 plus theaters that are open this weekend, for AMC. 2 of the 3 biggest theaters in the country with advanced sales are in New York City. 7 of the top 20 theaters in the country in terms of advanced ticket sales are in New York City. And we think New York is first, but we think LA is 2, 3, 4 weeks behind. What that means for us is a lot of new movie titles are coming out. I could rattle off a long list of major titles that are coming out real soon.
So let's talk about the Reddit retail trading phenomenon, Adam. I don't think we've had you on since that's happened. What was that like to watch your stock price spike as it became a meme stock, number 2 right under GameStop? And do you embrace it? Do you embrace it?
Well, look, obviously there's been significant volatility in our share price, and I'm aware of what's going on, but my focus has been on managing our business and driving the recovery of our business. What I find so appealing about this Reddit phenomenon is the affection and allegiance that Americans have across the country to AMC, to movie going, to seeing movies at theaters. You're seeing millions and millions of people rally behind saving AMC.
Do you think that was their motivation, Adam?
Oh, I don't think it's appropriate for me to comment in great detail about the Robinhood and Reddit phenomena. Suffice to say that with movies like Raya opening this weekend, Paramount's A Quiet Place 2 moving into Memorial Day weekend, Sony just bringing Peter Rabbit earlier into May, Top Gun 2 going to christen the 4th of July weekend, Universal's F9, the latest Fast and Furious installment. There are so many movies that are about to break. So many studios pulled movies from 2020 and delayed them to 2021. They're finally at hand. Theaters are opening. Titles are coming. And perhaps most important of all, we've got vaccinations happening all across the United States. Add that all together, add that to the safety protocols that we put in place at our theaters. I actually see good times ahead for AMC.
Have you, though, Adam, raised more cash than you would have otherwise done, or raised more cash than you even need because of the artificially inflated share price because of the Reddit frenzy?
So the incredible irony of all this is that between April and January, AMC raised about $2.2 billion of cash, another $1.5 billion of concessions from lenders and landlords. And of that $2.2 billion of cash that we raised, 99% of it occurred before the so-called Reddit rally. Are we done raising cash? We haven't decided yet. We know that we've got enough cash in our bank now to last a long time if we see even a partial recovery of the movie theater industry this summer. And that's what we'd like to expect, thanks to movie titles and vaccinations and safe, clean theaters.
The CEO of AMC did a phenomenal job making their bull case, and that's really what he was trying to do with a short limited time period on CNBC. He was trying to tell you guys why you should invest in AMC, why AMC is going to survive and thrive in the next couple of years and on to the future. I think he did a great job with that overall, and it really makes me want to invest in the company. I have to do a little bit more digging and research, and we'll get into that in a different video. But now we're going to skip to the technical analysis. Revising from my last update and technical analysis about AMC, we can see my resistance level, or support level, you should say. We kind of consolidated right above this, and in between these two resistance and support level lines that I had drawn. Now, we did not break up past the $9.35 mark like I had said I think we would. Now, we briefly did for a brief moment March 1st, but then we came down and pretty much have been consolidating with a slight sell-off. Now we are at $7 or $8.05, down 8 cents in after hours. So we're at $7.97, and we are in between my worst case scenario, my support level if things got bad like I thought they could, but it was improbable. It's pretty much right in the middle from my support to resistance level. So really anything could happen, but I think this CNBC news and this pump has not been in full effect because it wasn't after hours when this came on. Now, I think there is so much other things to focus on. People are kind of neglecting AMC right now, and really at a, 3.25% or $3.25 billion market cap, this is a steal if the movie industry can go back to where it was before, because AMC did $5 billion annually. So if you take 20% gross margin on that, that is quite a bit of profits. That's $1 billion in profits a year at 20% gross profit margin. That would be $1 billion a year. That would make them 3 times earnings, which would be insanely undervalued in this kind of marketplace. So I think it's possible. I think it's quite possible AMC could be severely undervalued, and I have really changed my stance since they have raised capital and paid off their debt. So that really is what changed the outlook for AMC for me. Before they did that, I did not invest in AMC. I did not trade AMC. I did not do anything with AMC. I thought it was way too risky and there's no hope for the company. But that gave me hope when they raised capital, and the technical analysis, it does look good. It does look like we are seeing a bottom, and I'm going to keep my support level at $7.45. I think this is where we would bounce at if we fell. I don't see us going under $7.45. I could see a trend line starting to develop, a staircase like uptrend, and I will just draw a line. I'm not going to keep this on, but something like that is quite possible going in the future, and I think that's what will happen. I don't think we're heading down. I don't think we're gonna do something like this. No, that's not gonna happen with all the theaters opening up and everything else positive going for the company. This is all I have for you guys today. Unfortunately, there's not much more technical analysis to give because the chart has been relatively flat and unvolatile lately. But if you guys got anything useful out of this video, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe for me. I think this was a great update overall from AMC's CEO. And if you guys want to be part of the Discord community, hit the link in the description. That is free 99. Send out all my buy, sell alerts, all that good stuff. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Peace out.